No, don't. No, not yet, not yet. All right, reel.
Oh,
You got him. Reel him in. Reel him in. Hold it. Reel him in. You got him. You got him. Crank him in.
It's not reeling.
Reel. You're gonna lose him. Keep reeling. Reel him in. You got him. Reel him in. He's almost here. Keep reeling. Keep going, Mar. Keep going. Keep reeling. Okay, we got him. Whoa!
Awesome! Woo!
You caught a warmouth bass.
All right, we got to pose for a picture over here, Mar.
I got one.
Oh,
Mar,
don't get that.
All right, put the rod down. Mar, give me the rod.
Hey, you got to pose for a picture with your fish.
I got one, Mommy.
Go pose.
You want to pose with him?
Yeah.
You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Come here. Take your thumb. Here.
Look at this double.
Put your thumb in his mouth. Okay, hold down. Hold him. Squeeze him. You gotta hold him like this. Look at Dad. See that? Can you do that?
I don't want to.
Okay, come here. We'll pose with the